Greetings to you all. This is our question and answer session. Questions have been rolled out last week for our viewers to attempt those questions, and we have promised that there will be a special class where the answers to those questions will be given. Here is a practical question on political science. The question says, the wide acceptance and spread of ideas and civilization of a society over others, that means over other societies, is what concepts deals with a situation where the ideas and civilization of a society cut across other societies across the globe. What concept is that? Is it the concept of imperialism? Option A. Is it the concept of hegemony? Option B. Or is it the concept of supremacy? Which one is your own answer? Which answer have you picked before this class? The answer to this question is hegemony. 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 I repeat, hegemony. Hegemony is a situation whereby the culture of a particular society, and I said the culture of a particular society, the civilization of a particular society is widely accepted and recognized by other societies. The civilization of a society, a situation whereby the civilization of a particular society is accepted and dominates over the what? Other part of the world. That is hegemony. And presently, the Western culture, the Western civilization has cut across all other societies, which means that other societies across Asia, Africa have accepted as their way of life the Western ways of life, has accepted as their ways of doing things the Western way of life. That is what we call the Western hegemonic power. The Western what? Hegemonic forces. So the Western hegemonic forces, the Western hegemonic power has succeeded in penetrating across different societies across the world. In Asia, we can say the Western hegemonic power, the Western civilization has not really succeeded in penetrating the Asian societies, especially China. China believes that the Chinese culture, the Asian culture, is second to none. China sees its own culture as best. China does not regard any other culture outside its territory as superior to its own culture. And that is the reason why the Western culture, the Western civilization has not been able to succeed in the Asian world, particularly in China. In Africa, the Western hegemonic power has taken place. African society has taken to their way of life European world civilization. European ways of life has penetrated African societies. A good example is democracy. Democracy originated from Europe. Democracy, I said, originated in what? In Europe, and is part of the civilization in European society. It has spread across the world, African society. Again, capitalism is an economic civilization of the European societies. It has also spread across the world, African societies. But these major things have not been allowed to what? Underplay on the what? Asian societies, particularly China. The answer to this question, as we have said, is hegemony. Imperialism is not the answer because imperialism is just like a form of colonialism, and that is the reason why it is not the answer here. Hegemony is not a concept of colonialism. Hegemony is not to colonize other societies, but it's a situation whereby other societies just believe that the culture and tradition of a particular society is very okay for them to imbibe, it's very okay for them to accept, and they have adopted this as their way of life. Unlike imperialism, imperialism is a form of colonialism whereby a powerful society, a powerful state controls many states. It is not one-on-one situation as we have for ordinary colonialism. Imperialism is a situation whereby a state, a powerful state, controls and dominates over the political and economic affairs of several states, not only one state, of several states. It is similar to what we call empire. Imperialism is similar to what empire. For example, the then British Empire. The then British Empire consists of what? Those countries, those states that are under the control of what? Britain. We have examples like Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Egypt, and many other countries outside the world. They are called the British Empire because they are under the British control. So empire is another name we call them. It's another name we call imperialism, and imperialism is also the same as what? Colonialism, a form of colonialism whereby a particular powerful state controls the political, economic, and social affairs of several states. When that happens, we say it is imperialism and it is similar to empire. Thank you. Have a lovely day.